In MSFS, I have the issue that the controls work great as long as no undocked panel is available. So even if I move the mouse over an external application like Orbix, Volanta, MobiFlight or whatever, there is no issue, the controls still work. I'm now going to undock two different windows. So this one and that one. So moving in here and the second one moving over there. You can see I can still move the joystick, which is assigned in Microsoft, but if I move the mouse over one of the undocked panels, it will stop working. It's not handing through to Microsoft Flight Simulator the incident. So as long as I'm just in the title bar or the mouse is hovering over the title bar, everything is fine. Not for dragging around with the title bar, but hovering is okay. But as soon as the mouse points over the image, it stops working. And this is might be not such a big deal, but for instance, I have the undocked panels on the second screen and some other applications on the second screen as well. And usually if you have the focus on Microsoft Flight Simulator, it's on top as well as the undocked panels. And if you want to click into the additional application, it means you just start going through this, hovering over the Microsoft Flight Simulator undocked panel. It will stop working with the controls in Microsoft Flight Simulator, and you need to go back to the Microsoft Flight Simulator main window to gain access over the controls and to continue with it. The same appears if you just want, for instance, to set a direct to make any changes here in the G3000 touch panel. Of course, after working in here with the stuff or entering frequencies, minimums, selecting procedures, etc., the flight simulator will simply not react, even though I'm just rotating on my joystick all the time. So this is really painful if you're flying a manual and need to work with external undocked panels. So probably there's a big chance to get these fixed. Really looking forward for it. Thanks.